This is how deep. We got about almost 2 feet of snow. It is like, oh my God. And it's snowing again today. We're supposed to get up to 6 inches of snow. And it is so cold. But we're loving it. We're loving the snow. It is so cool. We just went out and got some more wood for the fire. Daddy's out snow blowing with our rinky-dink snow blower. But it does the job. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. There's our Ranger. And it barely got through the snow. Oh my word. There's Jack. He's just like, oh my God, I'm a drowned rat. There it is. I'm going to try to get over here without falling. It's so huge. Bonnie, my friend in Florida, asked me to get this. See if I can get the pond. I don't know if you can see that. Our barbecue is just completely wrapped with snow. There's the pond. Here's our garden that's completely covered. There's the pine trees. So there you go. Bye for now, my Facebook buddies.